have done two very important back-to-back news coverage. One from a sanctioned country called Russia, the other from a sanctioned country called Iran. And assumptions aside, how do you see Tehran?
I think one of the things we are talking about is we have to figure out what is the economics of sanctioned countries, because they really don't look as if they've been suffering right now. I mean, it could be that the citizens feel it compared to other countries, but as visitors, this is not what you expect a sanctioned country to look like.
Yeah, because there is inflation, undoubtedly so. There's a lot, and there are problems, but not the way the West projects. Because we see a lot of reports, Kali, from the West, and we have to be so careful in our reporting to ensure that we do not fall prey to certain kind of narrative. This breaks that for you, for us, for our viewers.
This could be anywhere in Europe, couldn't it? The way the coffee shop is done, the kind of people who are sitting around, the books at the back, like the atmosphere, the lights. It doesn't feel like what the image you have of Tehran.
And also, we are all for women's rights. We talk about it all the time. But roaming around in the streets of Tehran, did you feel the moral police, as is reported by the Western media? Like, we know that a lot of women do wear hijab or headscarves. We had to for the interview. But you also see a lot of women who don't.
It seems as if it's a choice. I mean, today we have a headscarf on because it's a bit cold outside. And it seems like a reasonable choice to have the headscarf than not. But, you know, there's been no sort of pressure on us to do either, except at the ministry. I mean, I guess that's their convention, which is fine.
Yes, and it's official, so we do as we're told, because getting the news is more important, and we've got that for you. But we'll get a lot of color from Tehran, so stay tuned to India Today.